It's just watercolor, right? A few splashes of blue, a mountain, maybe a sunrise. What if I told you this watercolor sold for nearly 10 million? This is the Blue Riggy Sunrise by JMW Turner. And this, my friend, isn't just a painting. It's an atmospheric symphony composed in nothing but light, mist, and a genius brushstroke. Let's rewind to 1842. Switzerland. Mount Riggy stand calm, white, soaked in nearly morning haze. Turner, already one of Britain's greatest painter, captures this view, not with oils, not with grandeur, but with a medium almost artist, is still used for practice sketches, watercolor. Except Turner didn't sketch, he artisted. He layered transparent pigments like a magician, controlling the water. His blues, not just blue, they breathe. His light, it doesn't shine, it whispers. Fast forward to 2006, and this little piece of painted paper sells for 5.8 million. That's about 10 million today for watercolor. That's right. While your aunt's watercolor tulips hung in the kitchen, this one casually hung in the British Museum. But who was Turner? Joseph Mallord William Turner, one of the most revolutionary landscape artists in Western art. A man who made fog dramatic, who painted storm like Shakespeare wrote tragedies. He didn't just paint what he saw, he painted what he felt. And in the Blue Riggy, that feeling is still there. 180 years later, quite majestic, melancholy. Let's break it down. First, light. Turner paints not the sun, but its effect. It's like looking into silence. Second, color. The entire palette, gentle blues, movaes, grays, watercolor at its softest, but also its most powerful. Third, composition. Simple, a mountain, a lake, a boat. That's it. And yet, you feel everything. Now before you grab your paint, set and start splashing away, hoping for 10 million bucks. Remember, Turner was already a master by the time he made this. Also, your cat portraits, probably not museum bound yet, but this painting's legacy goes beyond price. Turner elevated watercolor to fine art. He proved that softness doesn't mean weakness, and that less can be infinitely more. So the next time you see a quiet landscape or an early morning mist, remember someone once painted silence and it sold for millions. If you love discovering masterpieces with meaning, hit subscribe. This is Art with Bhogalal, where beauty meets brilliance and the brush never lies. If you want to know about this channel and about me, you can click here. See you soon.